Hello, I'm Brenton Mar, and I lead clinical development at Relay Therapeutics. That means I head the teams that create and run our clinical trials. I am a pediatric hematologist oncologist by training, and I've spent many years in clinical care and research. Over the past year, we've had the pleasure to meet and work with many patient advocacy groups in vascular malformations. But today, I am excited to more broadly introduce Relay and our clinical trial in PIK3CA-driven vascular malformations. Relay Therapeutics is a small biotech company that is focused on creating new medicines for rare disease and oncology communities with significant unmet need. Relay was founded in 2016, and you can find most of us in Cambridge, Massachusetts, where Relay is based. One of Relay's programs is focused on PIK3CA-driven vascular malformations, including PIK3CA-related overgrowth spectrum, also known as PROS, and lymphatic malformations. And as you know, PROS include syndromes such as Klippel-Trenaunay, CLOVES, FAVA, MCAP, and more. Now, I've mentioned PIK3CA several times now. PIK3CA is a gene that encodes for a protein known as PI3 kinase alpha, which is important for your body's normal growth and metabolism. However, mutations or changes in the PIK3CA gene lead to an abnormal, mutated PI3 kinase alpha protein, which is the most common cause of vascular malformations. The therapy that we are investigating in our clinical trials, which is called RLY-2608, selectively targets the abnormal mutated PI3 kinase alpha protein. Our investigational therapy, RLY-2608, is an oral mutant-selective PI3 kinase alpha inhibitor. That means that we designed RLY-2608 to selectively target and inhibit or stop the mutated PI3 kinase alpha protein, which causes vascular malformations, while inhibiting the normal protein to a lesser extent. By selectively targeting the mutant protein, we aim to reduce the side effects that are caused by inhibiting the normal protein, such as rash, diarrhea, increased blood sugar, mouth sores, and others. It's important to note that RLY-2608 has not yet been studied in individuals with vascular malformations, as we are just beginning this study. We've seen encouraging information, however, from our ongoing clinical trial of RLY-2608 in patients with breast cancer, which we shared in December 2024. This study has been ongoing since early 2022. Earlier this year, Relay started a phase 2 clinical trial for eligible individuals living with PI3 kinase-driven vascular malformations. This trial is evaluating the safety and efficacy of the investigational medicine RLY-2608. I'm excited to say that we have just opened our first site, and we plan to open many more sites as the year goes on. You can find out more information at clinicaltrials.gov or by emailing us at clinicaltrials@relaytx.com. We also plan on having a webinar in the next couple of months with more information, and we'll announce more details on how and when to join soon. Thank you so very much for joining and listening today. We plan on meeting many more in the community in the next couple of months. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.